How does my case compare to others? Am I getting less, more, the same as most people? What's the average? How does this work? How much am I going to get paid? Everyone's case is different because everyone's different. If you're in a collision or injured by someone else's negligence and you have a back injury, your back injury is different than Mary's back injury, is different than Joe's back injury, is different than, Dennis's back injury, because we're all different. But the answer to this question relies more on how much insurance coverage is available. In general, especially in Texas, the minimum policy that someone has to have on their vehicle is $30,000. So knowing that, in my practice, 76% of our cases are the $30,000, minimum policy case. Generally, if you're going to settle for, that amount or close to that amount, it ends up being usually a third. So using that $30,000 model, the attorney would get, $10,000, the client would get $10,000, and the doctor would get $10,000. Now that's not set in stone. I'm just giving you an example. And so using that example, if the case were to settle for, like, let's say $24,000, it would be 888. So that's just a general, framework for you. If you have any other questions or need help, contact us at Attorney 911. If we can't help you, we will definitely find someone who can.
You just learned something new. Attorney 911, the podcast, with attorney Ralph Manginello. We hope you found today's conversation insightful and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the show so you'll never miss an episode, and share it with family and friends who might benefit from the things we talk about. A new podcast launches every week. That means you get more legal tips, real-life cases, and expert advice. This is Attorney 911, the podcast.